In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Optifine for Minecraft. Start by opening up your browser, and in the search bar, type in Optifine. Hit enter and click on the first link that pops up. Go to the downloads page and click on the latest version. Preview versions and click on download. Don't click on any ads here. These are not official download buttons. Wait 5 seconds and hit on the skip, and then you can download Optifine. Do not open this installer yet. Instead, go into your file explorer, go on downloads, right click on it, and select open with. If you do not see Java here, you have to download Java. Go back to your search, type in Java, download, click on download Java, and install Java on your PC. Since I have it installed, I'm not going to do that, but just go through in the installation process and you should be fine. Going back to Optifine, right click on it, open with, and click on Java Platform SE Binary. Choose the folder you want the Optifine to be installed, and hit on install. You can see here, it says Optifine is successfully installed. Click OK. Now open up your Minecraft launcher. Once Minecraft has opened up, you see on the left of the play button, you see Optifine, version 1.21.7, and hit play. I understand the risk, play. Once Minecraft has loaded in, you can go to the options, video settings, and you can see different options have been added. If you go back, you can see it says Minecraft 1.21.7 modded. That's it, you have successfully downloaded Optifine. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.